Hello and welcome. This video is about slurred speech or difficulty in finding words. Which one is a more accurate indicator of brain health? As we get older, some of us start to notice that it takes us longer to find the right word. It's called lithologia or difficulty in finding words in everyday life. Sometimes I experience that. So frequent difficulty in finding the right word can signal changes in the brain consistent with cognitive decline. So I would like to mention previous studies that notice subtle changes in the spoken and written language of public figures like Ronald Reagan and Murdoch. So Ronald Reagan was 40th US President and was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease 6 years after he left office. But people studied that there were subtle changes much before that. Murdoch, a novelist, and her last novel, Jackson's Dilemma, reveal 6 signs of the first stages of Alzheimer's disease. So coming to the present times, a recent study from the University of Toronto suggests that it's the speed of speech rather than the difficulty in finding words that is a more accurate indicator of brain health in older adults. Why is it so? Because difficulty in finding words to some extent appears to be normal part of aging. So this is one of the first few studies to look at both differences in natural speech and brain health among healthy adults. So how did they conduct the study? Some of you may be interested to know that. So the researchers asked 125 healthy adults aged 18 to 90, 18 to 90, to describe a scene in detail. So recordings of these descriptions were subsequently analyzed by artificial intelligence software to extract features such as speed of talking, duration of pauses between words, and the variety of words used. So what the researchers found? They found word finding abilities declined with age. However, they were not linked with cognitive decline. But slower talking speed was linked with weaker functions. The speech rate emerged as a crucial marker for detecting cognitive changes. So getting into finer details, we know that as we get older, we need to pause to search for words. These results suggest that this is a normal part of aging. On the other hand, slowing down of normal speech, regardless of pausing, may be a more important indicator of changes to brain health. So the number and length of pauses participants took to find words was not linked to brain health. Instead, how fast participants were able to name pictures predicted how fast they spoke in general, and both were linked to executive function. So in other words, it wasn't pausing to find words that showed the strongest link to brain health, but the speed of speech surrounding the pauses. So another study also found poor performance on verbal fluency can indicate neurodegenerative diseases. So what does this mean? So this suggests that talking speed should be tested as part of standard cognitive assessments. And how it will help? It will help to detect cognitive decline faster, and it will help people to support their brain health. So by harnessing natural language processing technologies, a type of artificial intelligence which use computational technique to analyze and understand human language data, allow for automatic detection of language changes such as slowed speech rate. So this study highlights the potential of speech rate changes as a significant yet subtle marker of cognitive health. So we need more future studies to examine whether speech rate or speed of speech is truly a predictor of brain health for individuals as they age. In conclusion, if we could detect cognitive decline as early as possible. It will help people to maintain or improve brain health. So hope this video is useful for you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.